Okay, lima na. Okay, let's start again. All players, please tuck in all your shirt. Number one. First, no good. Oh, kanina yung Mitsubishi Gray. Nakaharap kayo. May lalabas sa harap ninyo. Mitsubishi Gray. Mitsubishi Gray. Number 4. Good for two. Mitsubishi Gray. Kanina yun. Number 9. Number 4, number 23, Gonzalez. Oh, good for 2, made by number 10. Oh, kanina yung Mitsubishi Gray, please. May lalabas sa harap ninyo. Number 4 to number 9. 9 under the shot. Good for 2 points made by number 9. Number 1 to number 19. 19 to number 8. 8 to number 10. On the side, no goal. Rebound by number 23 to number 10. Then, Ordales. No goal. Rebound by number 12. 12. And it's a foul. Committed by number 19. Number 8. Number 8. Number 12 is a first throw. Number 12 is Jude. Second throw. It's good. Making the score. Shot. 8 man. 8. Number 1 to number 8. Back to number 1. Number 1. Back to number 8. 8 to the side. Nice block by number 4. Same ball. Number 10. Inbound the ball to number 36 to number 1. 1 to number 19. 19. Good for 2. 8 by number 19. Number 4 to number 9. Under the shot. No good. 9 again. To number 12 on the side. No good. Rebound by number 10. Little pass to the bottom. 8. Walang tao. Good for 2. Number 12 of Aldrich. Inbound the ball to number 23 to number 10. 10 to number 4. 4 to number 9. 9. Good for 2. By number 9. Number 1. Dribble. Oy! Nabubot. Lumusot. Number 4. One pass to number 10. Number 1 to number 8. Rainbow shot. Number. Rebound by number 4. 4. Layup for 2. Number 1 now of Sabara. dribbling the ball. To number 8. Number 8. Good. Played by number 8. Number 9 inbound the ball to number 23. Pass to number 4. 4 to number 9. Nice assist. No good. Ball by number 23. Boom. Dribble. Pass. 1-2. Played by Gonzalez. Number 1. It's number 1. Dribbling the ball. Looking for an opening. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 19. No good. Rebound by number 14 to number 10. To number 1. It's a foul. It's a counting foul. Sub. Labas, sub. Advance. Number 1 to number 24. Number 4, got it all. Intercepted by number 11. 11 to number 1. 1 to number 30. First round, 3 points. Number 30, please tuck in your shirt properly. It's gonna cost you 1 point. Number 10. For 3 points. Played by number 10. Number 30. Intercepted by number 30, got the ball. Same ball. Number 4-3, no good, rebound by number 1. 1. Left, no good, rebound by number 11 to number 4. 4. Dribble, pass to number 2. Easy photo, no good, rebound by number 11. 11 to number 33.3, no good, rebound by number 24, good for 2. 17 inbound the ball to number 4. 4 controlling the ball. Dribble, pass to number 10. 10 by number 30. 30, easy for 2. Number 17 to number 4. 4 to number 9. 9 under good shot. Oh! Incomplete. Rebound by number 11. 11 to number 1. 1 to number 30 under good shot. Rebound by number 30. Sa foul committed by number 12. Number 30 is awarded 2 free throws. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good. Rebound by last touch. Sobara. 17 and ball to number 4. 4. 12 to 17. 17 to number 10. 10 to 17. All Sabah committed by number 12. Number 12 is your second personal foul. Number 30 of Sokarap is awarded 2 free throws. First throw, it's good. Second throw, it's good. 17 inbound to number 4. 4 to number 10 on the side for 3 points made by number 10. Number 24 of Sokarap dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. 1 to number 12, 33 to number 24 for 3 more. Rebound by 17 to number 4. 4 to number 12. 12 to number 9. 9 back to number 12. 12. And back to number 1. Sabi to the Sunod.
It's a foul, it's a deal break. If they call it, no. It's not true. If they call it, it's a pancake foul. Ready? We go.
Number 4 inbound the ball to number 23, back to number 4 to number 7, 7 to number 9, 9, back to number 7. Oh, number 4, back to number 9! Guys, assisted by number 4 to number 9, making the score 28-22. And below of Alvarez, number 30. Pass to number 19, 19 to number 26, 26 back to number 30, 30 to number 8. Another rebound by number 4, 4 to number 19. Alisa foul committed by number 30. Number 7, first throw, no good. Second throw. No good. Number 13. To number 19, 19, rebound by number 9 to number 4, 4 to number 7, 7, number 30. And now, CC Pukupo is played by number 30. Number 17, dribble, pass to number 4, 4. 7 to number 9. 9 to number 4 to number 17. Last save ball. Time out. Sokora. Time out, Sokora. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 17, 17 to number 23, 23 to number 9. Number 1 runner, 8 to number 13, 9, 30 to number 19. Rebound by number 9. Committed by number 19. Number 4 inbound the boot to number 7. 7 back to number 4. 4 dribble passes to 17. 17 to number 23. 23! Made by number 23. Panalo na. Number 30 of Sokora. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 4-3 for good. Abot na game. Nice block. Let's go. Made by number 8. Receiving by number 26 to number 19 and into number 30. 30. Dribble. 26. 17 to number 9. 9 to number 7. 7 to number 4. Nice good good for 2 points. Number 13. Dribble. Number 4. 3. Made by number 8. Number 9. Inbound the ball to number 4. 4. Looking for an opening. Pass to number 7. 7 to number 23. 23. Number 23. Woo! Number 30. Number 9. 4-3. Unloaded rebound by number 9. Number 9. To number 17. 17 to number 7. Back to number 17. And it's a foul. Committed by number 30. Substitution play. Number 4 to number 21. No good. 21 again. 0-2. Take down number 21. Number 24. Number 10, quick jump. No good. Oh, rebound by number 4. Number 4 over there. Pass to number 21. 21. Back to number 4. Rebound by number 11. 11 to number 1. 1. To number 24. 24. Number 17 found the ball to number 4. 4. To number 21. 21 to number 12 for 3. One good rebound by number 33. Long pass to number 1. 1 to number 54. And it's a foul committed by number 7. Number 24 is awarded 2 free throws. First throw is good. Oh, that's why. Number 7 rebound the ball to number 4. 4. Foul number 21. Foul number 5. Number 4. Foul number 24. 24 is first foul. 5 team fouls. First one is good. Second throw is good. Intercepted by number 7. To number 7. No good. To number 12. 12. Rebound by number 4. 4. To number 12. 12 to number 10. 10. Rebound by number 7. Making the score 42-33. Number 1, controlling the dribble. Pass to number 30. 30, looking for an opening. Pass to number 24. Quick jump, no good. Rebound by number 10. Follow on for 2. shot. Huh? The ball on 3, 17 to number 4. 4, that's just no good rebound by number 30. Very important play by number 10. Foul number 26. Good. Super pro, good rebound by number 10. Number 1, 8-4-2. Number 10. number 26 to number 1. Box to number 26 to number 30. 30 to number 24. No good. Back by number 9. 9 to number 4. 4. Quick lang. No good. Rebound by number 1. 1. Number 26. Good for Number 30. 1. Number 10, number 26. 26 to number 1. 1. Yes, number 10. Rebound by number 30 now, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. 1.
Let's go.
Foul number 21. 21, it's your second personal foul. Number 4. Oh, talang number 10 now. Rebound by number 10. Number 24. Pass to number 1. Substitution rate. Number 7 to number 12, 43. To number 30, 43. No good. Red ball. 23, inbound ball to number 7. Rebound to number 7, 7 to number 9, 9. Keep it quick, no good. Back to number 51. Rebound by number 30. 30 to number 3 points. Number 21 is awarded 2 free throws. Oh, that's the points pala daw dito. Nice. Lucky foul. Post foul. Number 30. Second personal foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good. Rebound by number 90. Sorry, you got the wrong. is good. Number 9 inbound ball to number 7. 7 middle to number 23. Foul number 24. Number 23 is awarded 2 free throws. Substitution is coming. First throw is good. Substitution. Number 1 to number 19. 19. Number 24. No. Rebound by number 21. Number 26 again. Number 4. Rivera. Level. 12. Making the score 53-61 in favor of Sokola. Number 1, number 15, number 24 for 3. Number 1. Rebound by number 21. Number 10, inbound to number 19, 19 to number 24, 24 to number 26, 26 to number 1, rebound by number 17 to number 21, 21. Remaining time 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 10 for 3. Number 21, 21 committed by number 21. Number 21 is her third personal foul. Number 26 is awarded 2 free throws. Second blue, no good. That's number 1. Foul number 10. Ilan ang foul? Isa lang. 5 big fouls. And it's good! 63-60. Number 10. 81, no good. 10. What is number? Foul number 24. Time. Time out sa karoon. Open sa 5:30. 5:30. Open sa 5:30. Open sa. Wala pa ngayon. Open sa. Timing. Timing. Open sub. Bambay na patigil. Bawal ka pumasok sa court. Baka mamaya tingnan. No, Abdullah. Wow. Rolling the ball. Dribble. Foul number 4. Number 4, foul. Second. Number 4, second personal foul. It's good. Number 30. Ilang foul number 30? Number 30, it's your third personal foul. Warning for penalties naman. First number 4 is good. Second row, it's good. Third game is good since the last game. Number 1, dribble. Number 30, let's see. Number 4. Penalty and then ako shooting. Number 24, running. Personal number. Number 21. Number 21, warning. That's not good. What's happening? Penalty. Offensive foul, right? Time out and runs. Time out and runs. Wala tayo. Time out and runs. Hola Pedro, fixing foul. Foul on the toe. Alright, warning or penalty.